सोनसोडावयल्या कोयराक लागिल्लो उजो अजूनय घुसघुसता. देखून सोनसोडाच्या जळट्या प्रस्नाक सगळ्यांनीच प्राधान्य दिला. सध्या अहवाल येवपाची वाट पळयतात. अहवाल आयले उपरांत कायदेशीर कारवाय करतले अशें गोंय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाचो अध्यक्ष गणेश शेटगांवकारान सांगलें.
प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान मडगांव पालिकेक कारणां दाखयत नोटीस जारी केल्या. पर्यावरणाची जतनाय घेत हो उजो पालोवपाचो आदेशय मंडळान पालिकेक दिला. उजो पालोवपाक पालिकेक अपेस आयलें जाल्यार मंडळ कायदेशीर कारवाय करतलें अशें शेटगांवकारान सांगलें. सोनसड्यार लागिल्लो उजो फाटले 4 दिसां सावन धुमसत आसा. हे सुवातेर जावपी प्रदूषणाचेर लक्ष दवरपा खातीर मंडळान तांचे कांय अधिकारी थंय दवरल्यात. फुडल्या 3 दिसांनी अहवाल येतलो अशें ताणें सांगलें.
We have issued a show cause to Chief Officer of Margao Municipal Council, and he has been directed immediately to take all necessary steps to ensure that the fire at the site at Sonsoda is extinguished and an environmentally sound manner, and our officers deployed there, which your chief officer should ensure and give all the assistance to monitor air quality there, and he has to reply within 3 days. If not, we may file a legal action or a criminal prosecution against him. People are monitoring the air quality from today onwards, so 2-3 days we will monitor the air quality there. Action म्हळ्यार आतां पळय जळटा न्ही तो आतां ती तर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट हॅज टू बी एक्सटिंग्विश्ड. उदक मारून स्प्रिंकल करून करून पालोवपाकच जाय तो. आनी आतां दॅट ऑफिसर हॅज टू डिसायड. दे नो कळ्ळें न्ही जी कितें एक्शन घेवंक जाय तांणी. आमची लिगल एक्शन आमी वी हॅव स्टार्टेड. लिगल इन द सेन्स आवर इश्यू ऑफ नोटीस वी हॅव स्टार्टेड. The concerned municipal corporation should have taken care of all this thing because it's a summer now, and this particularly garbage has a tendency to generate folly gases, which will if it is not controlled, if it is not sprinkled and not kept, temperature of the garbage is not kept under control, then it will definitely catch fire. That we are monitoring unless the final report comes of monitoring, air quality monitoring. We cannot what type of how much is SO2, whether it is crossing the limit, definitely whether it is polluting the area and all that we'll have to find out.
How long will take the process?
Yeah, 2-3 days. In fact, it is not a one day job. 2-3 days average work should be carried out.
सोनसड्यार लागिल्लो उजो पालोवपा खातीर सगळ्या खात्यांच्या पालवान यत्न चालू आसात अशें दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी अजीत रॉयान सांगलें. बिरेस्तारा राती मेरेन उजो नियंत्रणात हाडटले अशें ताचें म्हणणें.
Would like to say that the district administration and Madgaon municipality are taking full care of everything, and we are monitoring minute to minute progress, and fire has subsided to a great extent. Some smoke is still there, but we are hopeful that by tonight everything will go away.
मडगांवच्यान खबराकार रमेश नायक रावत, पणजेच्यान समीप नार्वेकार आनी व्हिडिओ पत्रकार यशवंत परब.